have HP Pavilion laptop and you want to enable backlit or keyboard light on your HP Pavilion laptop, now just follow these simple steps and you will be able to do that. Now before we start, please drop a like, and I made a video about this topic and the video got like 30,000 views and only like 100 likes. So if you can drop a like on this video, that would be highly appreciated. Let's get started right now. Now as you can see here, guys, if you want to enable backlit or keyboard light on your Pavilion HP laptop, you want to just follow these simple steps. All you have to do, guys, you want to click on, okay, let's start with the most popular keys. Okay, now you just want to follow these simple steps like I said, and you will be able to enable your backlit on your HP Pavilion laptop. Any year, any version, just follow these simple steps. First, you want to click on F5 in the top. Okay, F5. Okay, now if you can click on F5, click on it, and if there is nothing, if you don't see anything, don't worry, click on F4 and see if it works. Click on F4 alone. Now see if it works. If it doesn't work, you want to click on Fn at the same time. You want to click on F5. Okay, the meaning of Fn is function. Click on it and at the same time click on F5. Now if this doesn't work, guys, you want to click on Fn and F4 at the same time. If it doesn't work, click on Fn and F11 at the same time. Fn and F11 at the same time. If it doesn't work, click on Fn and space. Okay, Fn and this big space, click on it. Now if it doesn't work, guys, let me know in the comments that it doesn't work for you, then I will reply to you guys with other solutions. Please drop a like and see you guys in the next video.